Good to have you back on Places and Beaches, where we're always on the way to uncover the beauty of the surrounding world. Today, our compass points to the enchanting northern region of Spain, more specifically, Catalonia. Get ready to be captivated by the top 7 places that you'll absolutely fall in love with, because these are absolutely must visit in Catalonia. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's dive into Catalonia's heart and listen to how it beats. Lloret de Mar, a charming village nestled along the coastline, beckons travelers with its calm attraction. Situated approximately 80 kilometers from Barcelona airport and 30 kilometers from Girona airport, this coastal jewel offers the perfect escape. While Lloret de Mar itself is not particularly large, its compact size invites leisurely strolls through peaceful neighborhoods. Travelers may initially be drawn to its beautiful beaches, yet soon find themselves surrounded by a vibrant array of bars and restaurants. Beyond the coastal scene, there's more to discover, including scenic hikes through the town's captivating landscape. The summers in Lloret de Mar are nothing short of delightful, with daily temperatures typically ranging from 25 to 30 degrees. With its winding streets, colorful houses, and breathtaking vistas, Lloret de Mar provides an ideal destination for travelers seeking a harmonious blend of tranquility and vibrancy. It's a place that offers a fresh start and the promise of unforgettable moments. Tossa de Mar is a captivating blend of history and natural splendor. This ancient settlement with its medieval charm unfolds along the Costa Brava, offering perfect beaches, turquoise waters, and a tranquil ambience. Its allure has not only attracted sun-seekers but also inspired renowned artists like Salvador Dalí. It's no wonder that this place has a profound impact on the creative spirit. Tossa de Mar is a place where time seems to stand still, inviting travelers to explore its historic treasures and savor the serene beauty of the Mediterranean. Tossa de Mar has a historic castle also known as Vila Vella. This medieval fortress by the sea, surrounded by thick stone walls, was built in the 12th century, making it over 800 years old now. It stands as a symbol of the town's rich history and served as a protective fortress against pirate attacks during the Middle Ages. Today, you can visit this tourist attraction and be impressed by this well-preserved piece of Catalonia's heritage. It's a neat place to explore, and you get a great view of the sea from up there. Tossa de Mar offers an opportunity to plunge in its tranquility, allowing you to recharge and rediscover the profound beauty of simplicity. Cadaqués, a hidden gem cradled on the Cap de Creus Peninsula, is a treasure that time has graciously preserved. With each sunrise, it unveils a new part of its enchanting story. Cadaqués is another wonderful place that was a muse for the surrealist artist Salvador Dalí. His artistic spirit continues to resonate through the town's unique architecture and creative ambience. Cadaqués is an experience, an inspiration for artists, writers, and dreamers who find solace in its magnetic embrace. Every visit in Cadaqués is just a journey. It's a soulful exploration of serenity, art, and natural beauty. Just a 30-minute escape from the bustling streets of Barcelona, Sitges welcomes you to a Mediterranean serenity. With a population of around 30,000, this charming coastal town thrives on tourism and culture. It exudes a bohemian vibe that hints at its artistic, liberal, and poetic influences. As you meander through the town, the uneven, time-worn cobblestones beneath your feet create a symphony of textures. In Sitges, you are not just walking through a town. You are stepping into a living painting where every corner is a stroke of history, art, and sheer Mediterranean beauty. When you find yourself in the heart of Catalonia, a visit to Tarragona is nothing short of a captivating journey. Here, the air is filled with vibration of the past, and the atmosphere is steeped in history. As you stroll through the streets, You are embraced by the timeless charm of the city. Founded in the 5th century BC, every step you take here feels like a journey through history, and the buildings are like living records of the city's impressive past. Tarragona boasts a remarkable connection to the Roman Empire, standing as one of the empire's most important cities. The city's warmth is enhanced by the Mediterranean sun, where the climate offers a splendid balance of warmth and a touch of rain during the winter months. Tarragona, an ideal destination for travelers seeking a unique blend of old-world charm and contemporary life. Big cities are a tapestry of architectural marvels, sprawling parks, grand squares, and bustling streets. They encapsulate the essence of culture and human creativity, and Barcelona, the crown jewel of Catalonia, is no exception. This city exudes a unique charm where history blends seamlessly with contemporary life. One of the most iconic architects of the city was Antoni Gaudí, whose influence can be seen in the Sagrada Familia, a basilica of unparalleled beauty. Every corner of Barcelona is an invitation to dive into history, with its rich mix of art, music, and exquisite cuisine. The city's soul resonates with the vibrant notes of its streets, where every step is a dance and every glance a work of art. As you explore Barcelona's grandeur, you'll find inspiration at every turn. The towering cathedral of Barcelona, or the enigmatic beauty of Casa Batlló. Barcelona basks in the warmth of Mediterranean sun, where rain kisses the streets, mainly in the winter months. It's not just a beautiful city to visit, it's a city that will touch your heart whether you stay for 2 or 3 days, or perhaps a lifetime. Calella de Palafrugell is for every type of traveler. Being one of the most precious places in Catalonia, Calella de Palafrugell has preserved an impressive local culture and beautiful historical sites, both reflecting the heritage and the rich history of the region. You can enjoy a variety of activities and explore its scenic surroundings. Calella de Palafrugell is renowned for its beautiful beaches. You can spend days lounging on the soft sand and taking refreshing dips in the clear Mediterranean water. The beaches here are some of the most picturesque in the region. The architecture and the ambience of the town offer a true taste of a Mediterranean village. It is a dream destination. No matter where you go in Catalonia, you'll feel amazing. Your eyes will be happy with everything they get to see. If you travel to any of the mentioned places, if you went to any of the beaches showcased in this video, please comment below. Let us know what your favorite place is. Hope you like this video, share it, and see you next time with something new. Adios!